Hello student, welcome in e-learning classes. In the series of learning conditional statement, we are going to learn if-else statement. Student, if-else statement, you can say that it is backbone of programming. Yes student, very important point and very useful part of programming, which is if-else. Student, how it works and what is this if-else statement? Student, suppose you are writing program, so execution happens in sequentially format. Flow of execution will start at the top and till end execution will happen. Suppose some certain task you have to execute based on some condition. If condition is going to true, to do this. Otherwise, if condition is false, to do this. For example, this is a page online form where you are accepting some basic details, and if you are asking are you belongs to some special condition like handicap or any other, so if a student or if a user saying yes, to provide this information to fill. If he or she is going to no, to provide this information. So among these two, only one statement will execute, and that execution will be based on some condition कि that particular will belongs to handicap category or not. If he belongs, so then perform this task, otherwise perform this task. This explanation I am going to give you based on a flow chart. Student, go through with this flow chart. Here we start writing program. We write our programming code. We are doing programming. And when we comes to a point where we need to check a certain condition, so you are checking that condition. And I have already told that condition is a kind of question which result may be true or may be false. Maybe that particular belongs to handicap or not. If he fulfill the condition, so he or she has to do this one. Otherwise, he or she has to do this. And after performing, program is going to stop. So student, this is a general flow chart. Go through with this and go through with this explanation. Definitely it will make it very easier for you to learn if-else concept. Student, if-else statement in the programming, whenever you are going to use, it need a syntax. So what is the syntax of if-else statement? Here, during writing program, when you start writing if, so if, then you need to give a condition, and after this a colon will be there. In the programming you have to write if, in the small letter it is a keyword, then a condition. Maybe condition become true or maybe condition become false. When condition will true, after colon, whenever you are going to write next line, you will press enter and it will start after 4 space. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means it will start from here. So this 4 space is called indentation. Here you will write your statement or your programming statement. This statement will execute when this condition become true. If condition become false, then what will happen? Then else part. You have to write else. After else you have to put a colon symbol. Again you will press enter button to write next line, and it will start from 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then statement will start from here, and write your statement or statements. Here statement may be 1 line or maybe of 2 lines. So student, how this will happen, how this will execute? Your programming code will start like that, and it will finish like that. So if your programming execution starting from top, it will start execution, then it reach to this one, and here it get if, and a condition will, when condition become true, these statement will have execution will happen. Otherwise, when this condition become false, so else part means this one will execute, and then the rest part, which is in the sequential part, will execute. Student, it is my request, just go through this video at least 2 or 3 times, then it become very easy for you. I will make various example based on this syntax, based on this flowchart. I hope you have subscribed my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe it. I will make all your doubt clear. Write it in your comment. Share my videos in your friends. Thank you. Good luck.